Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing one of our favorite topics, chandeliers. If you're looking to buy a chandelier but don't know where to start, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some buying guide tips and ideas to help you choose the perfect chandelier for your space. Let's get started. The first step in buying a chandelier is to determine the size you need. You don't want a chandelier that's too big or too small for your space. A general rule of thumb is to add the dimensions of your room in feet and convert that number to inches. That will give you the diameter of your chandelier. For example, if your room is 10 feet by 12 feet, you'll need a chandelier with a diameter of 22 inches. The next step is to choose the style of your chandelier. There are so many styles to choose from, including traditional, modern, and transitional. You want to choose a style that complements the overall aesthetic of your space. The height of your chandelier is also important. You want to make sure that it's hung at the right height to create a balanced and proportionate look. As a general rule, the bottom of the chandelier should be at least 7 feet from the floor. If you have high ceilings, you may need to adjust this height accordingly. Another important consideration is the lighting needs of your space. Do you need a lot of light or just a soft glow? This will determine the number of bulbs and the wattage you need. If you're unsure, it's always better to err on the side of more light than less. Last but not least, you want to consider your budget. Chandeliers come in a wide range of prices, so it's important to set a budget before you start shopping. Keep in mind that higher-priced chandeliers are often made with higher quality materials and will last longer. We hope you found this video helpful and that it gave you some ideas for choosing the perfect chandelier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.